Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to archive unused apps in Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to archive unused apps in Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. After opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option over here at the bottom of the list. Tap on settings and tap on the general option at the top of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear. And if you look down, guys, over here it says automatically archive apps. Apps you use rarely will be archived when your storage runs slow, so make sure to turn that on and you will start to archive your unused apps on your Play Store account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to archive unused apps in Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.